Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Classic Solitaire. Start with the objective of Classic Solitaire, moving all 52 cards to 4 foundation piles, sorted by suit from ace to king. First, deal 7 tableau columns. The first column gets 1 card, the second 2, and so on, up to 7 cards in the last column. Only the top card of each tableau column is face up, the rest are face down. The remaining cards form the stockpile. To play, you'll build tableau columns in descending order, alternating colors. For example, a red queen can be placed on a black king. You can move individual face-up cards or entire sequences of correctly ordered cards between columns. When you move a card from a tableau column, flip the face-down card beneath it to reveal a new playable card. This opens up new possibilities for moves. If you run out of moves in the tableau, draw cards from the stockpile. You can usually draw 1 or 3 cards at a time, depending on the game variation. The ultimate goal is to move all aces to the 4 foundation piles. Once an ace is placed, you can build upon it with the 2, then 3, and so on, all of the same suit, until each foundation pile reaches a king. You win solitaire when all 52 cards are successfully moved to their respective foundation piles. A key strategy is to prioritize revealing face-down cards in the tableau, as this often unlocks new moves and helps you progress. Always try to empty a tableau column if possible, as this allows you to place any king there, which can be a powerful strategic move. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.